We have a GE washer that won't go to spin, so we're going to be changing out the door sensor. We got it unplugged. We're going to use a paint scraper to pry off the front panel. We're going to remove this center panel. It has 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to pry out that front panel. We're going to take out these 2 screws so we can get the top panel up. We're going to push in with our screwdriver to get this lid sensor out. We pushed in on that little tab to get it out, push it back in. These orange wires are probably where the break occurred, so we have to splice in the new sensor to those wires, put it back in, add the screws back, put the front panel back on, click it in, and then when we start it, you notice that we get the lid lock light clicks on, and that means that we did the right job.